Picture this: a world where all animals, from the biggest to the smallest, are equipped with Apple Vision Pro. Imagine the possibilities of a future where these majestic creatures are empowered by the latest technology. Can you visualize how breathtaking it would be to witness this transformation? Discover the bliss of modern technology as our adorable four-legged companions effortlessly glide through the busy streets, exuding an air of refinement and elegance. Witness the seamless harmony between technology and our furry companions as they effortlessly navigate the road with a touch of sophistication. Experience the breathtaking sight of technology and nature perfectly blending together, creating a future that promises a harmonious coexistence. Join our cast of adventurous animals as they take you on an unforgettable journey of discovery. With cutting-edge technology at their fingertips, they'll unveil a world of wonder and excitement that you won't want to miss. Explore a world where technology and nature collide, unlocking endless possibilities and thrilling adventures. With every step, you'll witness the marvel of how these two worlds seamlessly merge together, offering an experience unlike any other. So come, join us on this journey of discovery and immerse yourself in a world where the impossible becomes possible. Escape from the mundane and immerse yourself in a world where nature and innovation come together in perfect harmony. Witness the incredible sight of animals embracing the digital age and discover a truly captivating experience like no other. Embark on a thrilling journey of discovery and marvel at the breathtaking beauty of technology through the unique perspective of animals. Witness as they boldly venture into new frontiers, pushing the limits of exploration and revealing the unseen wonders of the world. Allow yourself to be captivated by their unwavering curiosity and embrace the endless possibilities that innovation and ingenuity can bring. Envision a world where the power of technology and the beauty of nature converge in perfect harmony, paving the way for a future brimming with endless possibilities. Join us in embracing this dynamic vision, and let's work together to transform it into a reality. Get ready for a thrilling adventure with a group of tech-savvy animals who are pushing the boundaries of innovation and making the impossible possible. Join them on their exciting journey of breakthroughs and excitement.